So you don't need much to install the steering wheel decal. All you need are fingers and about 10 seconds. It's super easy. So we're going to score this a 1 in terms of difficulty.
Pete from Abstract Ocean. This is going to be a real quick installation. This is a vinyl wrap for the T on the Model 3 steering wheel. Super easy. All we're going to do is just peel it off, making sure it's stuck to the tape. And what we're going to do is just line it up, so looking dead on. Get everything lined up. Okay, that's pretty good. Then apply some even pressure all the way around and pop it off. And the whole idea of this is it's a quick, easy installation, no tools. You do have a little piece of chrome peeking all the way through on every edge, but it's all even and symmetrical. But just makes a nice look, and it's super easy to install, same as the door handles.